In this section, I'm going to walk you through different integration that we can do with various tools. I'm going to show you how to integrate your workflow with Reddit. As you know, Reddit is a social platform that everyone go ask questions and get some answers to the community and that they actually posting the question. Reddit is a combination of a lot of subreddits that everyone based on their interest, they go to that subreddit and ask questions and receive answers from the people within that community. Let's have a look how we do the integration with Reddit. This is the one of the workflow we have. So you have the Reddit node. You just simply click on the plus, you type Reddit, and you see the Reddit. You can use it again as a tool for your AI agent. You don't have the AI agent here. We just want to use the actual node. You can use different actions for that. Get many posts, get a post, create a post, and so on. In this particular example, we want to use get many posts. I click on that. It requires the credential parts. Once I open this, it's the redirect URL that n8n recommend to use in Reddit. And if I go here, if I click on the edit section here in Reddit, you need to go to this URL, reddit.com prefs apps, or you create an application. Once you create your application, then it will generate a key, client ID, and a secret. I will definitely remove this because I create this for this recording purposes. So it won't be there anymore, obviously, because my secret key is going to be in this recorded video. And you shouldn't share your secret key with anyone once you create that. And then here, I use that redirect URL that n8n provides for me, and we use it here. So this Reddit to understand who is sending the request and then return the response back. And then we get this client ID and secret, and we put it here and it shows that it's connected. And here I'm choosing the resource as a post, operation get many, and I choose a subreddit for getting the trends in that specific subreddit. And I'll just say, okay, maybe 2 posts the subreddit or send me 100 posts in that subreddit. Then it will fetch that data and provide that for me once the workflow is running. As you can see, it's pretty straightforward how to integrate with Reddit and how to fetch multiple posts to Reddit for your workflow. Hope you found this video helpful. If you want to learn how to integrate with various tools like Apify, Lemlist, Discord, Google Search, and more, you can join Agentic Lab, a community that I help everyone to learn about workflow automation in no-code tools. You can find the link below in the description and join the Agentic Lab, where we learn together not only how to integrate with various tools, but also build complex workflows in n8n. Hope to see you there. And don't forget to subscribe my channel to not miss any of my future videos. Thank you for watching.